Hey beautiful fam, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing something with you guys. It's a unboxing video. It's been a long time, you guys. The last time we went to Costco, Obi got me this. Yeah, so my blender has gone bad for a very long time now, since last year, and we got this one. I didn't want to buy this brand, but fingers crossed this time, because I've used it two times now. I've used it twice. Yeah. So let's see what we have there. So it's been home for, I think, it's been home for more than a month now. So let's see. So let's see what we have there, you guys. Yeah. So as we know that blender is very important for women at home. So I've been using a very small one. You guys that has been following my cooking, you see that the last time I was using a small blender. So I needed this. I've been managing that. It's a Nutri baby blender that I've packed home. So I've packed it home that I'm going to send it to probably my sister for their babies or something. But it came through when my blender damaged last year. So I've been using that blender since last year. Let me look for a knife. I'll be back. So let's see what we got here. So it's a Ninja blender. So it has a food processor there. So let's see the features before you guys. Yeah. So it has 3 cups, this small one, this, and the food processors. You guys can see that. Yeah. So let's unbox and see. You guys, it's been a month that I've had this inside and I'm unable to unbox it. Yes, it's huge. Let me show it for you guys properly. I just needed to do it. I said this night I must do it. So this is the manual, you guys. Who use manual? Sometimes I use that. I use manual if I'm not sure of what to expect. So it's coming with a cup, you guys can see. With a lid, it came in with a lid. And here we have this. They put this inside. This is the blade. So it has 2, you guys can see that. Let's set that aside. And it's just like this. So I have this small cup. I think this is the lid. Yeah, that's the lid. You guys can see. So if you make your smoothie or juice, you can just drink from it like this. That's the open cover. And it's 644 ml. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. It's beautiful. So let's see. Oh wow, we have 2 in there. This is another one, you guys. You can use this for your smoothie after blending. So that's it. And this is another one. You guys can see. It has the blade. So it has 2 components of the small one. It has 2 cups. It has 2 cups. And this, you guys, it's coming like this. I hope you can see that. Let me put. So you guys can. So you guys can see that. So I hope you guys can see that it's beautiful. Let's see the inside. It's just like this. You can just boil your stuff. I don't know what happened to my voice, you guys. So this is it. You guys can see that. And this is it. It's moving this way at the back, and it's coming like this. This is the blade. They don't want it to injure us. You guys, I will show you guys when I'm using it. Yeah. I'll, one of these days when I'm cooking, doing vlog, I will show you guys. It's coming with another stuff like this, you guys. You can see. So this is the food processor. They said open with care, contain loose sharp blade, keep jar upright when opening. So this is it. So if we open here, you have to press it here. You guys can see that. You have to press it like this. Press it like this and slide. So that's the blade. It has the blade also. So this is the engine and another cover, extra cover, in case you and your spouse do your smoothie. You can just remove it and use that. It has to. So this is it, you guys. It's sticky, yeah. So it's sticky. It's silicone, yeah. So this is it, you guys. You have to turn it, and I think it's screen touch for this and pause, but you have to move this, yeah. So that is it, you guys. You guys can see that. Yeah, I'm so happy to try this again, though. So this way, just so there is a lock sign here, you guys. I don't know if you can see. There's a lock sign, so you just have to do that. So that's it, you guys. And one thing I love about this is, let me just show you inside the box. So it's sticky. It wasn't easy for me to drag it. So one thing about it is it has the crush, blend fruit, and dairy for delicious smoothie. So you guys can see crush ice to snow for resort style frozen drinks. So these are the fixtures and extracts, all fruits and vegetables for healthy nutrient extraction. So you guys can see the recipe here. So those are the things it can do. So it's an auto IQ, all your favorite smoothie, frozen food, whatever, puree and treats. So are just a perfect touch away. So that's it. 20% more blending capacity. You guys can see variable speed control the speed and texture of every blend. So you guys can see what it can do, and it can make, for Nigerians, you can do your dough and also pound your yam here, because it has the dough. So you can use it to pound your yam, and you can use it to process your vegetables, as you guys can see that. And 9 cups, it's a 9 cup. So that's it, you guys. It has a crusher too. You guys see the crusher here. So that's just it. It's beautiful. So that's it, guys. When I make something with it, I'm going to process some okra tomorrow. When I do that, I will just make a video about it. So hi guys, I have this. It's from the blender. This is for shredding. You guys can see that. So I just want to use it, like I said in the video that I was going to carry you guys along. And this is for grating. It has 2 discs. So let me use the one for braiding today. I'm going to use the one for braiding. So grating. I'm going to wash it first. So this is how to go about it. This is the blade. You guys can see that. Then the grater. So it should be this way. You guys can see. This is the down part. My son is sick. He won't let me be. So let me just cover now. Here is the lock button. Just do this way. I hope you guys can see. So like you can see, I just have to flip it to lock it. You guys can see that. You guys, this is a plus. So I just wanted to. This is a plus, you guys. I just wanted to test it before I carry you guys around. So, you see, it's really good. So you just put it. Daddy is just stopping me. So it's a plus, you guys. I will show you the outcome. Then is just stopping. So it's really, it will put like 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, it's going to stop. So that's it. So it's done, you guys. Let me show you. You can see that it makes the job easy for me, and it's good this way. It's not bad. So you guys can see that the okra is done. Yeah, I love it. So that's it with you guys. So that's it, you guys. That's the video for this unboxing, and let's see how it works. Maybe it's going to last. I hopefully, finger crossed, you guys will be seeing. I'll be sharing with you later, and probably do a year after video with it. Yeah, so that's it. It's beautiful. Let's see, ninja products. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what happened to my voice. If you're new here, this is Grace, a mom of 3 based in the United States. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your love. To my returning subscribers, to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys, and I'm going to see you in another unboxing video. If you like this, stay tuned, subscribe for more of our video, turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to share with other people, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.